let's think about things like, is there a will? Simple. Is the company covered in the will? You know, powers of attorney, you know, can one kick in at a certain point upon a certain thing happening, like a death or so forth? You've got to think about things like, have you got insurance in place for your death, for your company or for yourself personally?
That's right. And you need to also try and separate the two, right? I mean, your personal life versus the actual business. These are, of course, quite confronting conversations to have early on. But yeah, you've pointed out so rightly how important they are. All of these equations tying together, and that's where we come in to make sure that we put the right frameworks in place to address all of these things. A lack of awareness is something that's really out there. We need to do our best to try and get that message across to try and get people on the right track as soon as possible.
You shouldn't think about it daily, but you should prepare for the worst because you want to protect your assets, you want to protect your business, you want to protect your family and the people around you, and not also have them in stress during a time that's already going to be stressful enough that rather than having to deal with that on top. And so it's also not just a case of just having the documents in place. It's a case of having a regular review and consistent diarized system of making sure the documents you got in place are updated, current, and relevant to your circumstances, your business circumstances.